Good morning from good old Germany. I'm gonna take you to a small place which is somehow special for me now in springtime, and we're gonna drive out there. It's still dark and I want to show you this place for sunrise. Okay, see you out there. I'm at the Rollenberg, one small hill which is really close to my heart for some reason. I don't know, I like it. It's not a, I like hiking, I like mountains, but this is not even like nothing huge, but it's so special. It's 5:35 in the morning and the sun is not even up yet, and we're gonna just go up here. It's kind of like a semi-arid, like, I don't know how it's called, like karst here in Germany. So it's like just small shrubs growing here, not even any big trees or anything. There's some farmland, but let's go up there to the top of the hill and just enjoy the view for the sunrise. I'm just kind of walking fast, and that's why I'm out of breath, because it's early in the morning. But when you look around here, it's all forest, and then you come here, it's really just some small shrubs and hardly any plants growing here, while there's like really tall grass in the valleys. Then you have some like beautiful, nice flowers. It's a small nature reserve here, and it's so beautiful. It's just amazing. Just a small hill overlooking everything here. That's basically it. I just started down there. You come up here on the spot overlooking the small German village, walking along this small ridge. And this here is basically the highest point. And the sun, looking to the east, is just gonna come up over this other small hill. But when you're here, you see these villages. There's a really nice little river kind of finding its way through here, through this little region. The valley here, just so beautiful, just amazing. And up here is the Ries crater. That's a meteor impact crater from I don't know how many millions of years. So what you see here in the valley is big crater, one of the biggest and oldest in the world, the Ries crater in Germany. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The sun is just slowly coming over this hill here, but it's pretty cold. I think it's only 3 degrees. It's very cold, yeah, but it's springtime. So these fields around here, that's why I love this place in the spring. You have all these different colors because the canola is flowering. So you have a beautiful, nice yellow fields, green fields, still some empty patches, some with corn, some starting with potatoes soon. So it's just this mix of beautiful colors. It's so mesmerizing and so nice. And I love this place because I used to come up here with my wife Jasmine and my daughter Catalea for picnics. It's such a beautiful place. It's a small like plateau here, and you basically can see almost like 360 degrees around here, and it's so nice. Close to Augsburg, not far away, only like a 50-minute drive, but so worth to come out here. Germany has some really beautiful spots. Just having a small coffee break here at the Rollenberg. And actually I'm gonna continue to where I want to go for today. This was just a small sidekick to show you how beautiful Germany can be, the nature around here, and some small, really like picturesque places. So just gonna enjoy 5 more minutes here and see you in the next city.